Welcome to your August gardening guide for Zone 7A. August is a crucial month, time to prep for fall while maintaining your summer garden. First up, start your fall vegetable seeds indoors. Broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage need to go in now. Use 6-cell trays with quality seed starting mix. Lettuce, kale, and spinach can start indoors or in shaded outdoor trays. For direct sowing outdoors, focus on heat-tolerant crops that mature as temperatures drop. Carrots, beets, radishes, and turnips go directly in the ground. Plant your final round of bush beans early this month. Harvest and refresh your herbs regularly. Cut basil weekly and pinch flowers to extend leaf growth. Cut back overgrown mint and lemon balm. Dry herbs like oregano, thyme, and sage for winter storage. Your summer crops need extra TLC in August heat. Check tomatoes daily and harvest often. Prune lower tomato leaves for airflow. Make sure cucumbers and pole beans are properly trellised. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Focus on coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and marigolds. Cut zinnias and cosmos regularly for bouquets. This actually promotes more blooms. Plant fall-blooming perennials now so they establish before cold weather hits. Mums, asters, sedum, and goldenrod need deep watering after planting and good mulch coverage. Remove spent annuals and weeds to clear space for fall crops. Use scissors to clip faded vines and herbs. Mulch bare spots to suppress late summer weeds. Deep watering is crucial in August heat. Water early in the day 2-3 times per week at the plant base. Add or replenish mulch with straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves to protect root zones. Feed plants for fall productivity. Side dress tomatoes and peppers with compost or worm castings. Use diluted fish emulsion or compost tea every 10-14 days, but stop fertilizing perennials by mid-month. August brings final waves of summer pests. Watch for tomato hornworms, aphids, and spider mites. Use neem oil or insecticidal soap as needed. Remove diseased leaves and sanitize tools between uses. Support wildlife and pollinators. Refill bird baths daily and clean weekly with vinegar. Leave some coneflower and sunflower heads for seeds. Add late blooming plants like goldenrod. Start planning ahead. Record what worked this summer and sketch your fall layout. Don't waste your bounty. Freeze tomatoes, pickle cucumbers, and dry excess herbs. Follow these August chores and your Zone 7 garden will thrive through fall and into winter. Happy gardening.